Pakiusap ko sa'yo, huwag ka nang magbabalik, pagkat itong puso ko ay sa'yo pa rin nasasabik. Kung sakasakali man akin ang nababatid, kaya't mahulog lang, kaya't wag na wag ka nang magbabalik. Let's go! Alis po tayo, punta tayo ng city, kaya ang mister ko saka excited niya umuwi ng Pinas, guys. Gusto niya na mamili ng mga bagong board games para mailaro po nila ni Derich. At magbabalik po ako ng aking in-order na sandal. Sinatan? O sige. Siya lang daw magsuot, uy. So, ito pang isa. Dali na, kaya magalis na tayo. Super early to buy stuff, mahal.
For
the games. It's still December.
But are we not going?
We are.
And maybe now stuff is in the sale.
Oh, yeah, you're right because it's December. Tingin-tingin na muna kayo ng mga bahay-bahay dyan. Kaya makahiya din sa nagreklamo na nagsawa na daw doon sa bahay. Maglabas din daw kami. Buti na lang nakalabas tayo, guys, kaya kaganda ng weather. Oh, wow! You see that? Minsan lang yan pag winter.
Ay, mahal. Nathan needs different shoes. The ones you are giving him when he goes to school is not good anymore.
Why not?
Because super wet and cold.
Yeah, but he's wearing the shoes now, the brown one that we just bought him.
No, you gave him the blue ones.
Ah, yeah, this morning. Yeah, then I'll give him the other one. Or you want to buy boots? Winter boots.
Yeah, it's also fine.
Tingnan nyo good yung puno na ito, oh. Tingnan nyo, guys, parang may mga mata. Nakakatakot siguro na mag-ano dito ba? Mag-bike-bike, ikaw lang isa sa gabi. Parang kadaming tumitingin sa inyo. Puro siya mata. What tree is this, mahal? It's like looking at you. A lot of eyes.
Yeah, the Tree of Souls.
Tree of Souls?
Yeah, it captures the souls of dead people and then the eyes go in there.
Pagsyong, uy. Pagsyong. Tingnan nyo, guys.
It's a birch tree.
Birch tree?
Yeah.
Ah! Do you know what's birch tree in the Philippines? It's brand of a milk from the Netherlands. They said that the birch tree is from the Netherlands. The milk. Do you have birch tree milk here?
No.
Oh no.
We have cow milk here.
Oo nga, wala silang birch tree dito, guys. Siguro because of the tree. That's why they call it birch tree. But it says that from the Netherlands. Tinatawanan niya tayo, guys, sa birch tree. Ano po yan, o office? Kakaibang art. Ha?
You brought the packages?
Hello, we did not brought the packages.
You did not bring the packages. Okay.
Next time.
So, making me look for everywhere where he can bring it, telling me it needs to be done today.
Oh, kay bilis namang nagpako na pag-ibig mo sinta. Daig mo pa isang kisap mo. Bad trip ang package, guys, iwan. Ah, nakalabas na naman sila, oh. Oh. Ang statwa na nakahubad. Merong ano ngayon, Friday market. Because today is Friday. Busy po masyado ang city today. Nahirapan po kaming mag-park. Daming nagsa-shopping. Baka ano, may mga sale. Ay, ayan, oh, sale daw. Until 50% sale. Hala, magsarado na ang paboritong store ni, ano, ni Dayan. 50% na sila, guys. Ayan, ubos na, oh. Tingin-tingin tayo, baka meron tayong mabili. Hala, na 50% siya, guys. Ito yung nagustuhan ko dati. My gosh. Bilhin ko to. Hala, na 50%. Oh my gosh. Buti na lang talaga nagsawa si Ma'am Chona sa bahay namin. Kung hindi siya nagsabi na nagsawa na siya, hindi kami maglabas today, guys. Nabili ko po siya, ha? Ano pa yun? Parang isang taon na ang nakalipas nung nakita ko po itong sapatos na ito. Hindi ko lang binili kay grabe talaga kamahal. Tapos ngayon na nag 50% siya, hindi ko na talaga siya, wala na, hindi na ako nagpatumpik-tumpik pa, guys. May kamahalan pa rin po siya, no? Pero at least naka 50%. Maybe all of the Idensa Mahal will close. Magsarado na din kasi sila, kaya binibenta na nila lahat ng 50%. Ganyan talaga dito, kadami na pong nagsara dito sa lugar na ito, kay mabankrupt. It says there, Mahal, that they're bankrupt, Mahal. That's why they're closing.
Yeah.
Bakit kaya yan, no? Wala nang bumibili. Puro online, Shein. Kaya malugi ang mga negosyo. Ganda ng ating dito, oh. Background music, oh. Wow. Sana all. Hindi nila lamig. Tingnan niyo ang sapatos niyo. Paganda ng outfit niya, guys. At ang kulay ng kanyang buhok. Ipakita ko po sa inyo ang sapatos. Tsaka grabe niya comfy, guys. Itong suot ko ngayon, 30 euros lang to. Pero kasakit sa paa. Pero syempre, suotin ko pa rin. Binili ko kasi ito sa Van Haren. Pero itong mamahalin natin sapatos, pang Japan ito. I will use this in Japan, ha? The Philippines. Because you will be walking a lot in the Tokyo. Dito na tayo sa palasyo ng pamilya ko. Naglaro na naman daw si Nathan. Naghahanap kasi ng board game si Daniel na English. Kayong mga board game namin sa bahay, halos puro Dutch. Grabe ang kaba ko, guys. Parang nag-akyat ang dugo ko sa ulo. Akala ko nawala itong camera ba? Nilagay ko pala dito, oh. Habuang, Daniel, busy pa din. Ayun, kita nyo ba? Tingnan nyo mga nagpupunta dito. May mga edad na din po, oh. Meron ngang napanot na. Nawala na ang buhok. Mga mahilig po yan sila sa mga board games, guys. Yan ang kanilang pastime. Ayun din, oh, si Manang. Yung mga nagpupunta dito, guys. Hindi lang bata. Mga may edad, mga 60, 70, pumupunta pa rin po dito, namimili ng board games. Asan ang mister ko? Dito, oh. Found something, Mahal? English? Mga maliliit lang na board.
This is for playing with Nathan, but then he needs to be a little bit older already.
Not a lot of board games, Mahal, ha?
This is for when Nathan is older. But it's hard
I
to
thought
find.
I thought you will bring everything in the Philippines, then our baggage will
For
be...
Philippines, only this one.
Okay. What is that? Because Derich also requested that you should bring some board games kaya para makapaglaro po daw sila. Dali na, Baykan?
But I'm thinking of this one. What do you think?
Nathan, Baykan, anong gusto mo kainin? Olive ball? Okay. Sabihin mo kay Papa, magkain ka ng olive ball. So, hintayin muna natin si Papa kay nagbayad pa. Saywan mo na lang kami, be. Ikembot mo. Uy! 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 Tulala siya. Gara. Yan yung itsura niya. Uy! Uy!
Why are there so many people?
No, why are there so many sales? I remember it's December.
Yeah, December.
Namilihan na din ng mga regalo. Pati sa CNA, oh.
Super busy in the city now.
Yeah, super busy. People are not working.
The school vacations start after today.
Yeah.
But not yet today. But I have a feeling like a lot of people already started their vacation early.
But people who are here, Mahal, not working, Mahal.
No? Else they're not here. If they're working.
Hello! Dali na punta sa olive bowl. Saan ang olive bowl? Alam niyan, saan ang olive bowl? Yeah. But why? Vika is dating, right?
Oh yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
Kanina oh.
Huh?
Dus we kanina.
Yeah, because Vika is dating.
Dating.
Nag-date yun si Bianan, guys. Dalawang kaibigan niya na lalaki. Pero friends lang, uy. No friends with benefits. Only friends, Mahal. Uy, you Jude ba? You
How do you know?
Uy! Vika doesn't want boyfriend already. I'm always asking her if she still wants boyfriend. She doesn't want anymore, guys. No more boys for Vika! Dali na! Na olive daw lagi siya. That is the olive. One mahal. Do you also want? Yung aso ba, binilhan niya ng olive, guys. The dog was eating olive. Dawi? Masarap ba yarn? Lolo. Maybe matigas masyado. It's very hard, mahal. It's not hot.
It's not hot, I think.
Yeah, it's not even fresh. Kaya mas masarap talaga doon sa malapit kay Martha. Very fresh yung tinitinda nila na olive oil doon. After this, we're going home because I'm so happy with my shoes. Wow! Hindi yan natulog ngayong hapon. Knock-out yan mamaya. Agui, matigas talaga masyado. Kita niyo mukha niya, gigil. Ibigay niya na daw sa mga ibon. Ay, nabigyan mo. Itapon mo na doon.
He wants to eat it himself.
Akala ko ba ibigay mo sa...
Please for the birds.
Ibigay mo na. Wala na nila. He ate it all. Dali na. Bayhan. Bayhan, bayhan.
For the pizzas.
You don't want a cup of coffee or a cup of tea?
What?
Cup of coffee or a cup of tea? Maybe you can coffee
Cup
to.
of coffee?
Cup of coffee.
Or?
A cup of tea. Ano?
Na Japan.
Tinatanong namin siya, saan mo pala gusto magpunta? Ayaw niya nga daw umuwi pa. Sabi niya pa, sa Japan.
Mama.
Anong gawin mo sa Japan na naman? Tingin-tingin na lang muna kayo dyan.
Papa.
Yeah.
Mga pa-OOTD po nila. They have this a lot in Japan, mahal, no? May nakita pa naman ako yung daw, guys, mga second hand na mga LV sa Japan. Saan kayo yung banda, no? Kayo, mga subscribers po natin na mga taga-Japan dyan, baka may ano po kayo sa amin, suggest kung saan magandang pumunta. Yung mga nakapunta na po sa Japan.
Si auto.
Sa vacancy auto?
Yeah.
Kailan tayo magpunta sa Japan? Kailan? Saan? Saan sa Japan? Sa Tokyo?
Here is the Japan Alamod. Alamod Japanan.
Ba Japanan?
Yeah.
Everything daw kay Japan. Saan bandang Japan dito? Saan? Hindi ko nakita ang Japan. Saan banda?
Dito Japan.
Dito kay Japan.
No. Dito sa Japan.
Dito sa Japan. Ay, sinakal. Minessage ko po si Diana yung paborito niya ngang store. Nag-sale. Papuntahin niya daw dyan si Sake. Halika na! Natanya, Behan!
Dan ga ik het voor
Dali na! Bilis! Nag-inuin na naman siya, oh. Dali na! Li! Nathan! Parang! What ka bird there? Sus! Ang itsura niya. Ang itsura niya. Boy. Harder! Harder! Grabe ang energy niyan. Kahit hindi natulog. Harder! Do you wanna see the snowman? Grabe ka happy ni Inday Garnet, guys. So, ang price niya po talaga dati na hindi ko po siya binili is 200 euros. Kasi very confident talaga ng mga brand po nila doon, guys. Kaya mamahalin po siya, no? Tingnan nyo. Wow, hindi po siya white. Ano po siya? Very, parang siyang dirty white. Parang siyang super light gray. I love it. The color and the style, I love it. 100 euros na lang, guys. 50%. Thank you, mahal. Sa pa ni Daniel, kinanta niya ako na happy birthday. Why did you sing happy birthday, my love?
Because you got some nice shoes. It's a nice present. Happy birthday!
Thank you. So you're not giving me birthday gift anymore? Okay lang. Birthday sex is fine. Abangan nyo na lang sa vlog ni Dayan. Kaya pupunta doon si Saki. Baka mag-vlog-vlog po siya doon. Mahal, Saki will go there. Because that's the favorite store of Dayan. Favorite shoe store.
Yeah.
So I told her it's 50% and she should ask Saki to go there. Ano yung last nating binuksan sa advent calendar na bigay po ni Bianan? Ang last po nating binuksan is 18. So today is 20. Hindi ako nagbukas kahapon, guys. Dito tayo sa 19. Yes. Pangtahal. Do you need sharpener, mahal? Pangtahal, guys. Yeah, for the mga lapis-lapis na pang kulay-kulay ng ating mga eyebrows dyan. Pwede naman ako naglalagay ng mga eyebrows at eyeliner. Kaya kaganda na ng brows natin, guys, from Eyebrow Lab. Diba? At yung ating number 20 is, what is this? Organic Lavender Regenerating Face Mask. I'll just open this all, uy.
Why?
So we know what's inside.
We were so impatient.
Yeah, you know that. Look, oh. Ano kaya yan? How will you play that, mahal?
That's what I'm looking at.
Tingnan nyo. Nagtingin na naman siya anong gawin niya sa Japan, guys. Kaya excited siya masyado ba? Tingin-tingin na din siya ng Universal Studio. Yan kasi sa Osaka ba? Kalayo. Play it like that daw. How? And then?
Yeah, you pick up a guy, and then you place more stuff. The problem is now, if I pick up a guy, it's probably all going to fall.
Ah!
I can pick up that one.
It's like pick up sticks.
Like pick up sticks.
Magtuna pasta po tayo, everyone. May dadating ba ako na package ngayon, uy? Ewan, ano yun? Siguro lipstick. Feeling ko lipstick. Nag-order po ako ng lipstick. Kaya nasa sale po siya. Tuna pasta. Siyempre, ibalik na po natin siya sa box. Kaya para hindi siya marumihan. Alam mo anong gawin natin sa Japan? Ngek. Hindi. Alam mo anong gawin natin sa Japan? Dahil handar. Hail, fail, sushi, eaten.
No.
Yeah, well.
No.
Ngek. But then?
Snoopy's
And this?
Tinapay.
And tinapay.
And lollies.
And lollies, oh. Ngek. And sushi dan?
Nee.
Nee.
Lekker. Heet.
Nee. Dat vind je toch echt lekker?
Nee. Wel duur.
Dur? Dur daw, Papa. Antok na ang mister ko, guys. Nathan, gusto ko magkain ng McDonald's. Yeah? Ikaw din? Yeah? Gusto mo din ng McDonald's? Yeah? Sabihin natin kay Papa. Nagka-crave ako ba ng quarter pounder? Sabihin natin kay Papa McDonald's.
Nasa pa?
Anong Japan? Hindi pa tayo magpunta ng Japan. 100 days pa. Ha? 100 days. Sabihin natin kay Papa.
Nasa pa.
Bakit ngayon? Wala pa tayong pera ngayon, ha?
Pera mo.
Saan ang pera mo, be? Saan ang pera? Magkano ang pera mo? Magkano?
Pero.
2 euros. Hindi man lang tayo makaabot ng city niyan. Mahal ang pamasahe. Hindi tayo makaabot ng city, kaya sobra pa yan sa bus. Uy, gusto mo din ng ng hati tayo sa quarter pounder tsaka fries?
Yeah.
Okay. McDonald's 8.
Quarter pound is Japan.
Ha? Quarter pounder Japan! Sige na lang talaga. Ito siya Japan. Hanggat sa hindi tayo makapunta ng Japan, hindi to magtigil ba? Ay, magkain tayo ng McDo, ha?
What the
Oh.
wonder? What's the wonder lekker?
Yeah, quarter pounder is lekker. Masarap, sabi mo.
Masarap yung
O sige, kantahan mo muna.
Kantahan.
Opo, tapos fries din. Fries, hati tayo. Ha? Papa!
Papa, masama niya pa.
wanted me to put your stuff in the dryer.
Yeah.
Powder.
Ha?
It is.
Come here, mahal. We want to tell you something, mahal.
Water powder.
Did you hear your son?
What?
What's that, yeah?
Some water powder.
Quarter pounder.
Quarter pounder?
Yeah, we changed our mind. We want burger and
You
fries.
know what?
Mm.
My energy is low enough to say, that's fine with me. I don't mind.
But we don't need to go there. We can order it. They.
No, I'll go there.
Oh, sige.
It's super close by, mahal. I'm not letting
Quarter
them
pounder
deliver there.
and fries, mahal, no? Ang chicken nuggets nila dito, guys, 6 na piraso, parang ano, nasa mga 250 pesos. Sabi, hindi, Garnet, kasi ba, wag ka na mag-ano-ano dyan. Mag-convert. Ay, that's for me, mahal. I'll do it. That's for me. Unsa man ka cute. Shein. Dali na dito kayo mag-quarter pounder tayo. Magluto. Gusto mo din ng ng chicken nuggets? Magluto ako ng chicken nuggets. I'll just cook chicken nuggets, mahal. Ano sabi mo?
I'm and potatoes.
O, sayawan mo kami. Ikembot mo. Dali kayo para magkain ka. Kembot mo. Paano magkembot ganyan? Ikembot mo. Sino laban dyan? Oh, yellow green.
And you can put them in the new air fryer
Yeah.
with the timing that's on them.
Yeah.
Come on. Oh, all the holes.
Yeah.
So,
6 euros. Ikasakit
You wear
na yan.
this?
6 euros.
without anything else?
Yeah, of course. Why?
No bra?
Yeah, well, Datutoy mahal is going here. It needs bra, so it stays there. Datutoy goes to the knee.
Ah, okay.
You, Jude. Tutuan ko na muna mga apat na chicken nuggets. Magpaka-healthy tayo today, guys. What can you say about the yellow green, guys? I love it. Nahilig ako sa mga ganitong kulay na naman yan. Burgundy, mga ganitong kulay. Gusto ko po siya. Parang ano, 6.50 € po ang bili ko nito. Opo, nagbili siya ng quarter pounder. Pinalayo ko yung ano din, luto na din, oh. Nilayo ko yung ano sa kanya, kay kinakain niya na yung kanyang chicken nuggets. Malapit lang masyado dito. Siguro mga 5 minutes drive ang McDo. Diyan ka lang. Saan po si Papa? Diyan ka lang, ha?
Nice.
Wow! Wawawi! Ooh, quarter pounder for Mama and Nathan. Lekker! Big tasty for Papa.
How are the chicken nuggets? How are the chicken nuggets?
Good. Kain! And french fries also. Kai. Kain, guys. Grabe kasarap, guys.
They switched to iced tea, zero sugar. Taste, very different taste.
Mama aim? Nathan is stock leaf? Mama is stock leaf? Alin aim for Mama? Enjoy ka, ha? Busog, uy.
You are becoming Dutch, Mahal.
Why?
Because you're eating your fries with mayonnaise now instead of ketchup.
Masarap po siya sa mayo, guys. I think we're also doing that in the Philippines. No. Not really. That's Dutch.
No.
Lekker.
Itlog.
Itlog? Gusto mo ng
Do you
itlog?
want me to order you a quarter pounder without onions and pickle next time?
Itlog.
No, it's just because of him. And I
Oh.
don't want it to put it on my burger because it has already. I don't want a lot.
Ah, so you keep your part, you keep it on there, and you take
Yeah.
it off his part.
Yeah,
Ah.
that was just his part. Kasi tinanggal ko yung mga onions. Do you like my yellow green shirt?
No, you're wearing a bra. You need to remove the bra. Then it's nice.
No, because then the tutu.
Yes, I know. Your tutu will hit your knees. That's what you said.
You're saying it's true, Mahal?
You
I'm
said
just kidding,
it. Not
ba?
me.
Nabe, Ay, give, ano, Bi? Mama, Bi? Magpatikin kay Mama, Bi? Picture for Mama?
Als je mama een hapje geeft, dan krijg je straks vuurwerk te zien.
Thank you.
Right.
This toch lief, Dylan?
Up.
For mine?
Up.
Ja, voor mama.
Bila?
Nee, I'm full.
For Mama wel? Alles for Mama?
Dat is voor dat.
You're right, it's not nice without the... Kinain yung tinapay na tinabi ko. May pa-firework tayo, guys! Special one daw, sabi ni Daniel. Kailangan daw talagang i-vlog. Special one, ha? Wow, very special! Wow! No. Wow! This is mine. They cannot really see it because of the smoke, Mahan.
Wat is dat op de grond?
Nilinis po tayo ng mga pinggan dito. Kaya nilinis niya naman. Uy, sigig pang ano, lubot. Uy, you really like my lubot, Mahal? Even if I don't have lubot?
Not just your boot, Mahal.
What then?
Your whole body.
My whole body. You also want my tutoy that from the knees?
Yeah, of course.
You think it's like... Hoy, bastos mo!
You said you want my tutu.
Bastos yung tao.
Excuse me.
I love you.
I'm allowed to do that because I'm your husband, Mahal. Okay, I'll turn off the camera.
Goro, did you? Sabi nila na kapag, naalala ko lang ba, na may nabasa ako sa Facebook, na sabi po nila kapag naglinis ka daw po ng kusina tapos sinabunan nyo po yung inyong lababo, ibig sabihin nasa adulting period ka na. Naalala ko din naman nung high school po ako. What do you want, my love?
I need to flush this with the water shower.
Nung high school po ako, pag pinapahugas po kami ng pinggan ng lola ko, wala talaga kaming pakialam sa, ano guys, sa lababo. Basta kay makapaghugas lang kami, tapos na. Totoo nga naman yun. Naano ko sa sarili ko ba? Totoo pala talaga. Na pag nasa adulting ka na, magsabon-sabon ka na din ng lababo mo. Do you do that?
What?
Do you wash your... What is it? This one?
Sink?
Yeah?
If it's dirty, I wash it here.
No, what I mean when you were... Ay, kapoy English, Mahal. It's not ano
When
my
I
life.
was without you, Mahal, I'm not dirtying the sink.
Yeah, because you're not ano